Tonight, we know more about why the execution of the zero-tolerance immigration policy did not work. The policy separated children and parents. The Office of the Inspector General reviewed the situation and filed a report. Channel 5's Valerie Gonzalez shows us what they found.
The OIG found the government was not ready on multiple levels to handle the zero-tolerance policy and its effects. They saw problems within different parts of the processing, from intake to detention.
Since April, immigrants were packed into federal courtrooms charged with illegal entry.
All right, for the record, we're here on the morning petty offenses, June 1st, 2018. Case number 18 PO 4961 through 5032.
This was the result of the zero-tolerance policy that went into effect April. The government decided everyone needed to be here in a criminal court. Before, only people who had crossed illegally more than once or someone who had a criminal history was sent here. Children whose parents were going through the criminal process were separated.
Some of the people in this group and then some of the people that are not in this group also came with minor children.
The OIG found these parents were often misinformed. Inaccurate information or inconsistent dissemination of that information caused confusion for parents. We hear that play out in this McAllen federal courtroom. The OIG report pointed to communication problems at places like Port Isabel Detention Center. Successful efforts were also documented. A toll-free number and the steps required to place a call and then to verify whether that person was actually the parent of a child in a shelter caused problems. The report pointed to something else called metering. That happened at ports of entry. It caused other issues. We reported when metering started. In May and June, we witnessed officers standing at the middle of the bridge and keeping the overflow of asylum seekers on the Mexican side. The OIG determined that drove up illegal immigration, which led to an overflow in criminal processing and family separations.
Tell them to go ahead and start moving into the 11 o'clock docket. It's not going to bother me.
The report also found technology systems between all the agencies were not well integrated. That hindered the process of sharing information in a timely manner. The real-world effect was that this made it difficult to identify, track, and reunify separated families. In the studio, Valerie Gonzalez, Channel 5 News at 6.